Welcome to the channel, and thank you for joining me. December ride. Today's weather was about 60 degrees or 15.5 Celsius. Finally got some airplane footage, landed. I didn't adjust my front camera to the right angle. I couldn't use too much of that front footage since I passed the break-in point. Let's see how well the W800 Cafe handles the expressway. I need to get the first service done soon. I have about 640 miles. With only 47 horsepower. There's a lot of traffic on the expressway today. It's on a Friday. It's a very comfortable ride on the expressway. The angle of the seating position is pretty sporty, but not too aggressive. Going to switch lanes. I see the traffic is clearing up ahead. The bike has some pep to it. Although it only has 5 gears. Shifting is very smooth. It keeps up with traffic pretty good. And there's some vibration in the handlebars. And some buzzing from the engine, but not too bad. I still have enough power to overtake cars. It's a pretty good cruising speed. Compared to my old bike, the CB1000R, I can just twist the throttle a little bit and the bike would just take off. The power on the W800 is like a gradual power. You just can't twist the throttle and expect the bike to take off. The windscreen helps a lot. I don't feel a lot of air hitting my chest. It seems like it's hitting the helmet and flowing above. So the little windshield works pretty good. Doing an average speed, 60 to 70. Feels very good. It doesn't feel like the engine is draining. See up ahead, there's a lot of traffic again. So I'll probably get off the expressway pretty soon. I'll head towards the airport road. There's not a lot of cars back there. Hopefully I'll get some airplane footage today. It's a nice day with a clear sky. Up ahead is the airplane hangar. I noticed there's a lot of airplanes just parked. There's not a lot of people traveling this year. I didn't see any bikers out riding today. There's always no traffic back here. You have some twisty curves. And there's several big curves coming up. Although the weight of the W800 is about 490 pounds, it doesn't feel heavy going around the curve. It handles the curve very well. It feels pretty nimble. Usually I see some people fishing over here. I don't see any today. I like the color combination of the bike. I was looking on Kawasaki website. The 2020 W800 Cafe, they didn't change anything. It's pretty much the same as the 2019 model. There's no different color combination for the 2020 model. Wonder what color combination they'll have for the 2021 model. Visiting the Kawasaki website, saw several new models for the 2021. I like the ZH2, the supercharger. That's a nice looking naked bike. I was looking at the Z125 also. That one competes with the Grom. But the new Grom is coming out, the 2021. I don't think the Z125 can compete with the new Grom coming out. The new Grom has 5 gears and a new engine, a little bit more horsepower. I saw some video on the top speed of the 2021 Honda Grom. Top speed was about 70 miles per hour. I had the first model Grom, the 2014 model. It had a Yoshi exhaust and a K&N air filter. My top speed was only about 57 miles per hour. It was great to ride around in the city. Great gas mileage. It got over 100 miles per gallon. Oh, and the new Grom has a bigger gas tank, so it should go a little bit further than the older one. Riding the Honda Grom in the city, it was always easy to find a parking space. Can't wait for the new Honda Grom to come out. I think it'll be more fun to ride, the new version. And it's easy to customize the new bike. You have a lot of aftermarket parts. So I believe Kawasaki might come out with a new model for the 2022. I wish Yamaha would make something to compete with the Honda Grom with a Kawasaki Z125. Yamaha should make a R125. Finally got a footage of an airplane landing. There were several moments when I ride back here. The airplane landing would be above my head and I could see the underbelly. Just have to be in the right spot at the right time. I'll pull over a little bit. I think I see another airplane coming in. I see 2 airplanes coming in. Must be very busy today at the airport. It's always nice to get on the airplane and travel, see the world, see the different countries, and eat the different type of food in other countries. Straight ahead over the horizon is the city of Philadelphia. Coming out the tunnel is a big curve to the left. It was a great day to ride. Nice weather. Not too cold and not too hot. And thank you for joining me on this ride. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos.